Hello, my name is Nick Wicks. I am currently enrolled in Professor Taylor Ham's lab Friday at 11 a.m. I am currently a senior at Fresno State majoring in construction operations, and my career choice after graduating is to be a construction manager and lead skilled workers to the completion of various construction projects. Today I will be discussing my Iliad assessment results, one skill I plan on improving, the actions I will take to improve this skill, and a time frame for putting my plan into action. Based off the Iliad assessment results, and shockingly to myself, I scored the lowest in decision making. It is so shocking to me because I always thought of myself as a good decision maker. I self-assessed myself in the 75th percentile and received a score of 10 after the assessment. That's a 65-point gap. Based on these results, I have determined that this skill is the one I will need to improve. I recently read an article on HuffPost about how to make better decisions. One suggestion that I plan to implement is think of yourself as a fly on the wall. This doesn't mean actually go off daydreaming, but it means remove yourself from the situation for a little while and think of yourself as an outside observer. This action will help me make better decisions by taking other people's perspectives into thought rather than just thinking that my decision is right. Another tool I plan on starting is the Padil problem-solving framework that we learned in Chapter 3 of our Managing Organizational Behavior book. The Padil problem-solving framework begins by first defining the problem. From there it can be determined if there are any alternative solutions that may have better outcomes. Next, we decide on the best method for solving the problem, and then the solution is implemented and finally analyzed to determine if the best decision was made. This framework will be useful to me as a construction manager to help make sure that the wisest decision for my company is made. For instance, if a major issue arises on a construction project, I can determine the problem, find the different alternatives such as money saved or time saved. Then I can make my decision and have it implemented, knowing that I made the best choice for such problem. I can then review my decision to know if alternatives might have been more efficient. As a current student and construction superintendent, I feel it would be ideal to implement these actions immediately and plan to start them today. There are many decisions I make daily that affect my company as well as my own life, and I need to ensure that I make the best possible decision at all times. By using these tools, I can help make the best possible decision and improve my decision-making skills.